Move. You're gonna hurt yourself. Tipping the wheelbarrow over from the front end like that isn't as easy as he makes it look. I think the smoke has you going crazy, Moo. He's been at it for like 10 minutes. I don't know where he's trying to put it. All right, Moo, let me have my wheelbarrow. I'm taking my wheelbarrow, Moo. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. You jerk. I don't want to play with him because it... I don't mind him beating up the wheelbarrow. I just don't want him to think that we're a part of it. I do mind you beating up the wheelbarrow, Moo. I take that back. Who do you think's going to pay for that if you break it? You gonna tell him, Pepsi? Give him what for? No? Can I have my wheelbarrow back now? You're finished? Did you wear yourself out? Knucklehead. No, leave it alone. Huh? All right, Moo. You're my wheelbarrow now. Leave it alone.